Okay, we're going to go ahead and pick up with ortho number 6. Similar to the last drawing you did, just something a little different here. So as before, here's your front view. This is the face we're looking at. Top view, very similar to your last view, except rather than two angles, we have a half circle. There's your top view. And right side view, like your last view, we have this rectangular shape. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let's start with that front view to get you started. So we're going to come down here. Once again, we are in ortho number 6. Let's make sure we're starting these drawings in the correct box on our paper. All right, so like the last drawing, once again, let's keep things large enough to fit, not too big that it goes into the top view. So we're going to go ahead and get things rolling here. I'm going to go ahead and start with that front view face. And then I'm going to come over on both sides. And this is where I want you to attempt to draw what looks like a half circle. Okay, in the center of that half circle is probably somewhere right about here. So I'm going to try to make this as precise as I can. Not an easy thing to do when you don't have tools. Alright, that is close enough. Now, not the most beautiful looking thing, but it will work. So, as we mentioned before, corners, vertical lines from front to top, horizontal lines from front to right side. You're going to find you're probably going to have maybe one less projection line in this drawing than in your last one, but once again, a lot of the same features, just different shapes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and have the teacher pause the video. Let's go ahead and see if you can figure out with projection lines you're missing top and right side view. Okay, here we go. Projection lines. Let's go ahead and start with front to top. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you remember, your last drawing had a 5th, but we are not going to put anything here. Okay, there's no edge, there's no corner. This is going to look completely flat from the top view. So let's leave it like that. Front to right side though, we are going to have, like we did last time, 1, 2, and you got it right here, the bottom of this half circle. And I'm sure you're saying it's not a corner. You're right, it's not. But it is a part of the drawing that's important.
The late buses will be departing in 30 seconds. Please hurry to the front of the building if you're still in the building. Departure in 30 seconds.
Thank you, Miss Molnar. And we're back, folks. As you can see, this is after school. I'm going to go ahead and finish that top view. We're not going to stop the presses. We're going to keep rolling. So we're going to go ahead and draw a line here. Once again, projection lines tell you your limits. I'm now going to come down. Never have views touch. I don't think I've mentioned that enough. But you never have a view either getting too close and definitely never touching another view. That's a big no-no. Okay, if you do that, it looks like the two views are one. So always have some type of space. So I've got to be very careful how tall I make these. Once again, here and here. So the question is, why not anything here? Well, this is a curved face. From a top view perspective, it's going to look completely flat. Two-dimensional, folks. Okay, let's go to your right side view. Let's finish this up. I'm sure you can probably guess where that last and final line's going to go. You got it. This is referring to the bottom of that half circle. It's going to be a hidden line. Okay? Referencing the bottom of this half circle where we obviously have some material that's been removed from this object. Okay, so go ahead and take a look, check your work. Hopefully you got what I got. Hopefully a little bit more precise, a little bit cleaner than what I have. But all in all, as long as you get it, you get the idea, that's what counts. Congratulations, folks. We're going to now move on to ortho number 7. Almost done.